My name's Robert Mongeluzzi. Today, on behalf of one family whose loved ones are missing, we have filed a complaint in Miami-Dade County and filed an emergency motion, which we hope will be heard tomorrow. That motion asks the court to allow a representative of these families, an observer at the site who could observe what is going on, and the ability to have a drone document the physical evidence at the scene. This motion does not ask to interfere with search and rescue. That vital function must continue. I, over the last 20 years, have been involved as lead counsel in 5 separate building collapse cases and have spent at least 10,000 hours of my professional career representing the families and victims of those collapses. And the key to answering the question, what happened to my loved one, is the evidence and the debris and the rubble and the collapse that is at the site. The families have no idea whether it is being documented as they peel through that collapse layer by layer, have no idea what is going to happen to that evidence, and they deserve a voice and a role in this process. We have another question on Zoom. I think it is much more likely that this catastrophe occurred with a massive structural failure down at the bottom of the building, and so we believe that that important evidence is still there.
Unfortunately, we've seen these disasters before, and we understand the ramifications if the appropriate steps aren't taken immediately. As my colleague Robert said earlier, there's going to be a number of reports that get made by a number of different agencies. Many of them are likely to be contradictory. It's important for the families to have their own voice there and for their representatives to be present as well. And that's why we filed what we filed today.
We want to keep as much of that information private as possible. They're still hoping for his return.
Okay.
Thank you.